Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully and welcome if you're new. I'm Cathy and we post lots of different videos on our YouTube channel, from shopping hauls to cooking and cleaning to decorating and DIY projects, just really anything on any topic we feel like sharing with y'all. So I hope you'll stick around by subscribing to Living Gratefully. And today I want to share a quick, easy lunch idea. I made this chicken salad yesterday on my lunch break while Scott and I were working at home. My friend Melissa told me she puts cranberries and dill in her chicken salad, and we have started to really enjoy this combination as an option when we want a little something fast and different. Y'all know I love my sister's chicken salad recipe where we use the Instapot to cook the frozen chicken tenders, and of course we use Duke's mayo and celery and onion. But this, using the canned chicken, is a super quick lunch when you don't have time for the other longer process. We're using one large can of chicken that has been refrigerated, and then I like to rinse it off to get that canned taste off. Then I break it up with a fork. Melissa is my friend who told me about monkey hooks. If you saw that video, I hadn't heard of them and she told us about them, and I had to go buy them, try them out, and I made a quick video on that, and it's actually one of the most popular Living Gratefully videos, so check it out if you haven't seen it. I'll have it linked below. We go kayaking down the river every summer, and when we're kayaking, I'm always asking Melissa what's the latest that she's doing as far as cooking for lunches and dinners, and I love to try out what people are loving. That's probably why I love YouTube so much. I love to get inspired to try new things. So then we put in some Duke's mayo. Of course, you can use any kind of mayo you like, and a little pepper and some dill weed. And I'm not sure how much dill weed she uses, but a good sprinkle is what we do. And then the cranberries. After I filmed this, I sent Melissa this little clip and I asked, is this the amount of cranberries that you use? And she said to use at least a third of a cup. I don't think what I used was a third of a cup, so next time I think I'll measure it, because the cranberries do add a lot of yumminess to this chicken salad. So the more the better, but you can put more or less based on your taste. And if you've been watching for a while, you know I always put a little encouraging Bible verse at the end of my videos. So today I wanted to include Melissa's favorite Bible verse, which is Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. I'll ask Melissa to add any comments down below if there are any other tips that she has to share, so be sure to check the comment section, and I'd love to hear from you guys too. Do you have any special concoctions that you do for chicken salad to make it extra yummy, or any other quick lunch ideas to share with everyone? Melissa recommends the multi-grain bread by Nature's Own, and it is so good, but they didn't have that at our store, so we're using this other bread that our friend Stacy told us about, and it is super yummy as well.
What kind of chips do you want with lunch? We've got 3 kinds of barbecue.
I'll have barbecue chips, please. I want
what kind?
The original. Actually,
Lay's?
let's see what that sweet southern heat smells like. I mean, tastes like.
So then, what kind of?
Want to pop it open and let's see what it tastes like?
Well, sure. As long as you don't mind being on the video.
Over here.
How would you like your sandwich? Do you like it in halves or a whole? Like, you know, like the bread folded over? That's how I like it.
One full sandwich, please.
Okay.
Cut in half.
Okay. And would you like it toasted? Toasted or not?
No toast for me, please. Oh, here you go. Those chips, I don't want those chips.
Okay.
Are
you serious?
I like them fine. I just don't want them with this sandwich. I want the old school Lay's.
All right, old school Lay's for you.
Yeah. That's probably all I need to, actually, baby.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You're right. I don't need that whole sandwich.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Y'all, I hadn't planned on including those clips. Usually I edit that out and mute all the background sounds, but Scott was cracking me up, so I just had to leave it in there. This video wasn't even planned to be filmed at all. I literally started to make the chicken salad on my lunch break and then put my phone on record, and here we are. Now we have a little video, and now that I'm editing it and doing the voiceover, I thought I would just include Scott's background commentary. He makes me laugh so much. Thank y'all so much for watching this quick lunch video. Please let us know if you like it by hitting the thumbs up, subscribing if you're new, leaving us a comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.